2026 Suzuki GS850G Concept. Red and black beast that turns heads. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a close look at the stunning 2026 Suzuki GS850G Concept, a motorcycle that combines aggressive styling, modern technology, and powerful road presence. The first thing that grabs your attention is its incredible red and black color scheme. The deep metallic red fuel tank, paired with sleek black graphics, creates a bold and premium appearance that instantly stands out in any showroom. From the front, the GS850G Concept looks muscular and confident. The wide handlebars provide a comfortable riding position, while the modern digital display gives the bike a futuristic touch. Riders can easily monitor speed, gear position, fuel level, and other essential information through the crisp screen. Moving to the fuel tank, this is where the bike truly shines. The glossy red and black tank design is both sporty and elegant. The sharp lines and sculpted shape enhance the motorcycle's aggressive personality, while improving rider comfort. Suzuki's iconic badge adds a premium finishing touch that proudly reflects the brand's heritage. Performance is another area where the GS850G Concept impresses. Designed to deliver strong power and smooth acceleration, this motorcycle is built for riders who enjoy both city cruising and long-distance touring. The throttle response feels quick and responsive, making every ride exciting and engaging. The seating position has also been carefully designed for comfort. The black seat with red stitching perfectly complements the bike's overall color theme. Whether you're commuting through town or heading out on a weekend adventure, the ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue and keeps the ride enjoyable. Looking at the side profile, the motorcycle appears powerful and athletic. The combination of the red bodywork and black mechanical components creates a striking contrast that highlights the bike's modern styling. Every angle showcases a balance of performance and beauty, making it a true head-turner wherever it goes. The suspension and handling package further enhance the riding experience. With a stable chassis, quality suspension setup, and confident braking performance, the GS850G Concept is designed to provide excellent control in various riding conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or enjoying open highways, the bike feels planted and responsive. One of the most appealing aspects of this motorcycle is its overall presence. The red and black color combination gives it a premium, sport-naked appearance that appeals to both experienced riders and newcomers. It looks fast even when standing still, and that's a sign of great motorcycle design overall. The 2026 Suzuki GS850G Concept is an exciting machine that blends aggressive styling, modern technology, rider comfort, and impressive road presence. Its stunning red and black finish, sharp design, and powerful character make it a motorcycle that deserves attention.